Morning everyone. So we're here in Finland, Levi, for InterSki 2023, and I've just attended a clinic with the PSIA, and we've got Jeb Boyd here. He was one of the demonstrators.
Yes.
Thanks so much for a great
welcome.
clinic.
Thanks for coming.
Did it all go to plan?
You know what? Our plan was to roll out our fundamentals.
Yeah.
And it absolutely did go to plan. It was less about what we want to teach in terms of the progression, but it was much more about just how do we teach? What do we like to look for?
That's right. So their clinic title was they're teaching fundamentals, and it spoke to what we do in New Zealand and our new teaching model as well. I really liked the part about the emotional and physical risk.
Yes,
I got a wee clip of your brother talking about that. And it was really cool to see that you've got similar fundamentals like reflection and adapting.
Yes. I mean, it's what it's all about. You know, it's like you got to see something happen. You got to give your guests something to do. And then what happens next is purely based on what you see them doing, right? And then you need to adapt, and you never know what that adaptation is going to be until you see them doing it.
That's right. And one takeaway, one little a three-pronged attack for the adaptation was you can choose to help. You can choose to challenge.
Yes.
Or you can just carry on practicing.
Carry on practice. Amen.
Amen. All right. Thanks so much for your time.
You bet. Great skiing with you.
Okay.
Bye,
cheers.
guys.
Bye.